This is the OdinLake Ergo Butterfly 753. I'm gonna unbox it and set it up and show you why this is my new favorite chair. The whole setup and installation, from unpacking the chair and parts, literally takes less than 10 minutes. No hassles, no problems. Let's start off with the backrest. That's where you'll see the butterfly design, which comes from this series. This backrest provides full adjustable back support. You can easily adjust the backrest height position to better support your back. Not only does it support your back, it's comfortable and somewhat hugs or wraps around your sides. The headrest is also adjustable. It can be raised or lowered, and it can be tilted up or down. But why stop there? The depth of the chair can also be adjusted. By pulling up on the lever on the right side, you can move the seat forward or back 2 inches, giving you that extra adjustment that most chairs don't provide. That's definitely one thing I really love about this chair. But here's my favorite part. The controls to recline the backrest or lock it in place, and to raise or lower the seat, are built right into the armrests, so you don't have to look around trying to find that lever below the seat. With the 135-degree reclinable back, all you need to do is pull up and let go of the toggle or handle on the left armrest, like a bicycle handbrake, and lean back or forth to the position you want, and pull up and let go again, and it locks in place. And when you want to raise or lower your seat, you just pull up and hold the toggle on the right armrest until it's at the height you want, and then you just let go to lock it in place. The seat height can be adjusted between 18.5 and 22.5 inches. Now for the armrest height, it can be adjusted by clicking and holding the trigger on the armrest. The width can be changed by pulling or pushing the armrest in or out. And it can be rotated by twisting. The Butterfly 753 is made of a durable aluminum frame and premium materials. It has a breathable mesh design to keep you cool at all times, and it supports up to 500 pounds, but is recommended for 350 pounds or less. With a warranty of up to 7 years, this is definitely a chair that's worth the investment. I'll place links in the description for anyone who's interested, and I'll see you in the next video.